Well guys, good morning all. Today we are going to have conversation class between my students with Priyanka and my student with Zahida. Now today we will have the class especially with Priyanka and Zahida about an interview. Priyanka is a principal in one school and the name of the school is Oxbridge International School. Right? She is a principal and Zahida is a teacher. She is teaching already in one school. Okay? But you want to teach in her school. Your friend told you that there is a vacancy of the teacher in her school, and as the school is very good, so you are interested to join her school. It's okay, so please start and be close here. The sound will be there and with high volume you will speak right now, and you Priyanka also, sound cannot be slow please. So you can start now.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Wait, bit more sound please.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
I need a word with you.
Firstly, tell me.
Wait, what?
I need a
I need a job. I need a job in your
school.
Speak loudly.
I need a job in your school.
Okay. Firstly, you tell me.
Sound please.
Firstly, you tell me that how you know about my school.
It's a interrogative questions.
Yes, sir.
So ask. Firstly, you tell me, how did you know?
About my school.
Yes.
Okay. Firstly, you tell me.
With
how-
volume please. A mic will catch the sound. Okay.
Firstly, you tell me how did you know about my school?
My friend told me your school is very good in our society,
In this city.
in this city.
Yes.
So I think I join your school for the better of a student.
Yes. In which subject do you interested to teach?
In not. Which subject are you interested to teach?
Which subject are you interested to teach?
I am interested to teaching English subject.
I am interested
I am interested
to teach
to teach
English, and there is no interest according to the subject of the student.
Yes.
They will teach. If I am MA in English, so I will prefer to teach English. So you can say, ma'am, मैंने which subject is your honors? Suppose geology. Say मैं science पढ़ाने में interested हूँ. Say
I am interested to teach science subject.
क्या आपने कहीं पढ़ाया है?
Yes. Do you no?
It's B3 science.
Yes. Sir.
क्या आपने कहीं पढ़ाया है? हाँ.
Yeah. Have you teaches and
Have you taught?
have you taught anywhere?
Yeah, I am already taught.
I am already teaching.
I am already teaching another school.
No, I am already teaching in one school.
I am already teaching in one school.
Yes. Which school?
Don't take the name of this school here.
I am teaching.
In ABC school.
I am teaching in ABC school.
Yes. Then why you are leave that school?
Why are you leaving?
Why are you leaving that school? ABC school. That's.
See, ये स्कूल दरभंगा में नहीं है.
Because this school is not in Darbhanga.
यह स्कूल पटना में है.
This school is in
पटना.
Patna.
लेकिन मैं अब यहाँ रहने लगी हूँ.
So,
But अब मैं यहाँ रहने लगी हूँ.
but now I am living.
हाँ चलो ठीक है. But
now
मैं
I am
रहने लगी
living
हूँ.
in Darbhanga.
बट रहने लगी हूँ सेंटेंस इज डिफरेंट. मैं यहाँ रहने लगी हूँ. आई हैव स्टार्टेड लिविंग. मैं यहाँ रहने लगी हूँ. आई हैव स्टार्टेड लिविंग इन दरभंगा. इसलिए
But now
So-
I have
so-
started to living in
not
Darbhanga.
repeat.
But now,
I have started.
sir, I am English.
Please
But now I have started to living in Darbhanga.
do not.
I have started living in Darbhanga.
इसलिए
So I
want.
want to join your school.
Okay, that's great.
Anyway, मुझे साइंस टीचर की जरूरत है।
Anyway, I need science teacher.
Thank you,
Yes.
ma'am.
आप वहाँ कितना साल पढ़ाई हैं?
Yes. Have you? Yes, sir.
आपने वहाँ कितना साल पढ़ाया है? How many years
Yeah. How many years
have you taught
taught there?
there?
I have taught.
हाँ, fast. ये सोचना क्या है? Give the answer directly.
I have taught 4 to 5 years.
Repeat.
I have taught 4 to 5 years.
Yes.
Oh, that means you have experience 5 years.
You have
Yeah.
experience of
5 years.
Yes.
ma'am.
That's great.
आपने बीएड किया है क्या?
Do you have passed out B.Ed? Yeah.
Have you?
Have you passed out B.Ed?
Yes, ma'am. Of course.
I did.
I did
कब?
When?
2 साल पहले।
before 2 years.
Okay.
Great. कहाँ से?
Great. Which college?
LNMU.
From LNMU.
Okay, that's great.
फिर मुझे प्रॉब्लम नहीं है आपको रिक्रूट करने में,
Now I have no problem to recruit.
लेकिन मैं पहले आपका देखना चाहती हूँ कि आप कैसा पढ़ाती है।
But firstly, I want to see that how you teach.
अगर आप अच्छा पढ़ाती हैं,
If you
टीच
Good.
गुड, आई विल हायर यू।
I will hire you.
तो 5 दिन आप डेमो क्लास के लिए आ जाइए।
So
ठीक है?
Yeah. So 4 days you come for demo class.
It's okay, ma'am.
मैं आ जाऊंगी।
I will come.
कितने बजे आऊँ मैम?
At what time I am coming?
At what time do I come?
Do I come?
It's 8 a.m.
It's okay, ma'am.
No problem.
No problem.
कब से?
From when
Do I come?
Do I come?
See, basics sit at the home. Understand why do, why does, why did. 5 forms of the verb that I have already taught you. Sit at the home and check it. है ना? So means कब से आ जाओ. It's a question. Right now. So from when
do I come?
do I come?
Tomorrow?
It's okay, ma'am.
एक काम करो, कल से बताओ। दीपावली छठ का छुट्टी कल से स्टार्ट हो रहा है।
Yes, sir. Do one things. Do not come. You do not come tomorrow.
From tomorrow. It's a regular class.
Yes. You do not come from tomorrow.
Look at here only.
Come from after 2 days.
Repeat.
You will come.
After 2 days not. आप दीपावली एंड छठ की छुट्टी के बाद आओ।
Okay. You come after vacation of Diwali and
छठ।
Chhat.
ठीक है?
It's okay, ma'am. No
नो
problem.
प्रॉब्लम। आप बताएं स्कूल कब से खुल रहा है फिर छठ के बाद?
You tell me.
From when is your school
Is your school
opening?
starting?
Opening after
After
Chhat.
Deepavali and Chhat.
My
23rd.
My school will reopen at 23rd.
On 23rd.
Sorry, on 23rd.
Repeat the sentence.
Yeah. My school will reopen on 23rd.
तो मैं 23 को आ जाऊं?
So I come.
May I come?
May
Permission.
I come on
23rd. Yes.
Of course.
मैम एक लास्ट क्वेश्चन मैं आपसे पूछूं?
Ma'am.
May I?
May I ask you?
May I ask you?
May I ask you one last question?
Yeah, of course.
क्यों नहीं?
Why not?
पूछो,
Ask.
जो भी पूछना चाहती हो पूछो।
What do you want to ask? You ask.
मेरी सैलरी क्या होगी?
What is the salary?
Repeat with the sound.
What is my salary?
What will be? It's
What
not
will be?
you have started. What will be my salary? Hello, all listening. Okay, repeat.
What will be my salary?
Salary.
Don't care about salary. You are coming.
Don't take tension about salary.
Don't take tension about salary. You
आपकी
come.
सैलरी अच्छी होगी।
Your salary is good.
Your salary will be
Good.
good. But कितना?
But how much?
क्या आप मुझे बता सकती हैं? Can you tell me
Can you tell me
how much?
Actually, we give 3,000 for fresher.
No,
but
don't talk so less. कम से कम at least you talk more that the school teacher principal will start giving more. मेरे यहाँ सैलरी का स्टैंडर्ड है 10,000 से 20,000 तक, जो जैसे हैं उनको उतना मिलता है। Yeah. We have salary structure.
We have salary structure.
Structure.
Yeah.
Starting from 10,000 to 20,000. Repeat the sentence.
We have salary
Structure.
structures starting from 10,000 to 20,000.
जो जैसा है,
Yes.
who is how,
Yeah.
जो जैसा है उसको उसके हिसाब से उतनी सैलरी मिलती है.
Who is how?
According to him,
According to him, they.
he gets.
Sir, they. We can.
एक एक अलग अलग है, ग्रुप में नहीं है, सबका अलग अलग सैलरी है. So who is how,
Who is how?
according to him,
According to
he
him.
gets salary.
According to him, he gets salary.
It's okay, ma'am.
But आप मुझे 20,000 दे देना.
But you
Give me
me
20,000.
20,000.
मैं अभी नहीं बता सकती.
I cannot tell now.
No. ये डिपेंड करता है आपके टीचिंग स्टाइल पे.
It's depend on your.
It depends
Yeah, it depends on your teaching style
and
and
teaching.
and teaching.
अगर मेरे सारे स्टूडेंट खुश होते हैं,
If my all students will happy.
if
yeah.
my all students are happy,
If my all students are happy,
मुझे 20,000 देने में कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है.
I have no problem to give you 20,000.
वेरी थैंक यू मैम.
Thank you, ma'am.
मैं 23rd को आ जाऊंगी.
I will come on 23rd.
क्या कुछ लेकर आना है? क्या मुझे कुछ लेकर आना है? Do I
Do I
have to come
Do I have to come?
taking something? Of course अपना टिफिन लेकर आना. लंच
Of
नहीं
course.
मिलता है.
Of course, you should to take your tiffin.
Repeat.
Of course, you should to take your tiffin.
You should carry
You should carry
your
your
tiffin.
tiffin
क्योंकि
because
हम यहाँ लंच प्रोवाइड नहीं करते.
we are not provide lunch.
वी आर लग गया तो प्रोवाइडिंग में चले जाएंगे या आर को हटाइए. वी डोंट प्रोवाइड
We don't provide
लंच हेयर. ठीक है मैम.
It's okay, ma'am.
आई रिमेम्बर.
I remember. Never I am forgetting.
Never I forget. Thank you ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Nice to meet you. Shake hand. Nice to meet you. Speak loudly. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet
That's
you.
okay.
Thank you. That's-
See you on 23rd.
See you all 23rd.
Okay.
It's okay.
Bye bye ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Can you all clap for them please?